Yo, you guys, I do not know who Rec Room A is, but he's like crying his pants off right now in this game called Animal Rivals. Yo, whoever Rec Room is, and if you guys see this video, and if he has like a YouTube channel or something, go on his YouTube channel.
Dog shit, bro.
Tell him to stop being toxic.
Dog walking right now, bro. It's embarrassing.
I do not know who he is. I just went in public, so
Round starting.
and I just wanted to fight him, right?
Bitch.
Yo, that was a good shot.
Dog walking you, bro. Crazy.
Oh, he's just being so mean. If you guys ever see his YouTube channel, if he has one,
Round
Boy,
starting.
like 1-2 lead is insane. Oh yeah, look at you, Camp.
yeah, I'm pretty bad at this game. Oh no, I'm going against this guy. Yeah, I do not know who this dude is, but like,
Define it right now. That's you.
yeah, see, little boy. Let me see if he's.
Good
Is he?
shit at the game, bro. It's crazy.
What is he?
Alright, wait, let's run two.
See, Rec Room.
Oh my god, wait, what is that? 2,
Oh,
3,
do you want to join code? No.
Does he have a YouTube channel?
Who would like to do this? Like,
I knew I felt the presence behind me. I wanna join a random. I wanna
I
join.
might join that actually. I might
Okay.
join that.
so the code is
Yo, there's a new world
4268.
record. What happened to
4268.
the bird colony guy?
Rec Room.
Dude, where are you?
Hello?
18 dash B.
Hello?
Dude, just yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh,
Alright, this is my first time going on blue.
Who's calling it? Guys, what's my streak?
Alright, so he said 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, hey, friend.
I'm right here.
I'm gonna go against Gibby Sack. Hey yo, Gibby Sack is wild. Hello, Gibby Sack.
Match starting.
Gibby's Sack. Okay, but
Round starting.
I mean, I'm pretty good at the game. I'm not as good as like Mr. Rec Room. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling? Where are you? Give me a sack. Oh, I found him. I'm so sorry, Gibby Sack, if you're watching this. I'm so sorry, my boy. You need to get better. I'll train you if you ever see this.
Round starting.
Oh no. What the? Look, he's kind, bro. Yo, give me sack. Good boy.
Round starting.
But, hey, your name. Yo, W? I was only being toxic to that Rec Room boy. Because he likes to be toxic to me. If I ever meet you again, Rec Room, you will get shit up. Yeah, I have aim ass shit. Yeah, I should just aim with this gun. Where are you going? It's like I'm talking to my puppies, bro. Where are you going? Yeah, I had to move. Hey, no, wait, alright. Match point?
Round starting.
Oh, damn, he just getting shit on. Who's calling that shit? Who's calling? Oh, I have some bad aim. What the? Yo. No, I just lagged out. Yo. Yo, good game, Gibby Sack. Why is this still here?
Guys, this is my brother's account.
Wait, dude,
Guys, my
wait,
brother-
hurry.
What's your partner's account?
Oh, I see you.
What's
You're
your
behind
partner's
you.
account?
Behind you.
Oh,
Behind you.
I'm on the board. Again.
What about me?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
I can't.
Come on, 1v1.
Let's play you. Yo, who wants to 1v1 again? Who wants to 1v1 again? Come on. You want to 1v1
Five.
again?
6, 9,
Infection. Captain? Let's play infection. I only have one.
Let's go.
I've been on mine like all day.
Yo, what's good, bro?
I just got on my bed.
I'm
clinically online. Oh dang, that's a bad habit. But we listen and we don't judge, okay?
Go Fennec. I need one more person to lose. No, against me. Go over there. Okay.
Match found.
Get off me! Try to go against him. Good luck to you.
Match starting.
I got a plan.
Round starting.
That was off. What? Uh-oh. Not good. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, he's super. Oh, he's dead. Dude, well, it was sweating super hard, and one might be over the wall. He's behind you, below you. Please kill that guy. Absolute cinema.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna get cooked.
Round starting.
Those are literally a mouse.
I see you. Can I shoot you from this one? I'll shoot you from that far.
Need you.
Come here.
Who's calling that shit?
Yep, you're not killing me like that.
Hey!
Round starting.
Pew! Oh, why am I in Gorilla Tag?
They switch every time.
Yeah, I'm really bad at Gorilla Tag.
All the time. And I'm dead. Okay, he followed me through.
If I get booted on.
He's above you, he's at the blue. Hey, okay, see him? He's going there. He's camping around the corner. Right there. Oh, no.
I'm gay! Oh, wait, what? No, I'm not.
Oh, snap.
Oh.
Try something that's not one shot.
Round starting.
I'm gonna fire this thing.
Who's calling that shit?
Okay. I see me. Oh, I see me?
Who's calling that shit?
That's insane. He wouldn't expect this. He didn't expect it. He didn't expect this.
Oh, yo!
Goodness. Booyah. So good.
Round starting.
Oh, it's a smoke bomb. That's stupid. No. Yes, you got reload. Where is he? You got it?
Round starting.
Not somebody easy hit.
You can't hear me because I was saying some no words. So I got voice banned. Not permanently banned though.
Okay, I got it. GG's, dude. Jeez.
Trish boy, Mad G.
Because I just played, y'all fucking
I
suck.
think that might be it.
No, we don't.
Hey yo.
It's the hell
think
you
it
do,
might be
nigga.
this for
No,
today.
because one of my twos games, nigga,
Bang,
I
right.
went 12-1.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wrap it up. Bye bye.